Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today is 2nd of December, so it's time to open envelope number 2 from this beautiful Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So let's see what's in this second envelope. I'm super excited and I know that Katarina and Mel are working with the projects as well, so remember to check out what they've created as well. So this one comes from My Creative Life, and as you can see, number 2, beautiful envelope, and we've got some ephemera pieces. Let's see what's inside. You can see lots of beautiful pieces, and let me show you all those lovely goodies. It's a very big envelope, a pouch full of little bits and pieces. So let's see what kind of things I'm going to work with this time. We've got beautiful leaves. We've got some party time. I love this one. You are so special. So we've got lots of sentiments. You are so special in a different color. Way to go. Let me show you other pieces, like all of those flowers. So it's as you can see, go girl. I love this one. Lots of beautiful pieces, and you can create so many different things. And I'm already thinking, because I have to do well done. So I have to do actually ATC for my ATC swap, so maybe I could actually do that with those pieces. As you can see, lots of beautiful flowers, leaves, beautiful pieces to use in your crafting, lots of sentiments as well. So let me see what else I could use. I'm going to look through them and I'm going to see what else I can use with my, I think I was going to do ATC. Love this nice green color. So lots of pieces again. So I'm thinking now what I could do and what kind of ATC I could make with that. Yes, definitely I'm going to do ATC. So let me prepare some elements I could use with those ephemera pieces, and I will show you that project, step-by-step project for that ATC. So as you can see, I prepared some elements already, and I found this first edition paper pad Sweet Nothings, which has exactly the same color palette as those ephemera pieces. So I decided to create ATC card and a matching card. So let me put it together. I roughly know what kind of elements I'm going to use, so I think it should be very quick and easy project to create. And because I need that ATC for my swap partner, I decided to use this opportunity to create that for her. So I'm going to place this flower, and I was thinking about that one as well. So it's quickly putting all those elements together on my ATC, and I really wanted that flower to touch the bottom like the flower is growing. And then I wanted to add this "You are so special," and I think it looks really nice, and I'm going to tag that flower under that sentiment. So I'm using my craft mat just to align that on my ATC. So I hope you're enjoying those videos. I know that it's only day 2, but I hope you watch some other videos from Katarina and Mel as well. And remember about that hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. So if you've got this Advent Calendar, you can share your makes on any social media, or if you want to create a video, then yeah, it would be nice to see what you're going to create. So that's my ATC, and I was thinking to add that flower, but I think I'm going to add that Nouveau Drops. It's actually Nouveau Aroma Drops, and this color is called Magnolia Bloom. And let me add some of that on my ATC card. add 2, maybe another small 2 drops in the, on the other corner. So let me put it aside and let those drops dry. So now I'm going to create this. This one is a 4x6 card blank. Let me put it to the side, and then I've got first layer measures 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. So of course I'm decreasing by 5 millimeters every single layer. The next one is 3.5 by 5.5. And the top layer is 3.25 by 5.25. I think I remembered correctly when I was preparing those. So that's my card, and I love those colors. And then I was thinking I love adding strip of paper. So this one measures 5 3/4 by, I can't remember because it was cutting by eye. So it's an inch, 1 inch by 5 3/4. Let me use my mat so I can actually adhere it straight. So this one, and then I'm going to add that again, that navy blue, just to give that extra interest on my card, and I think it will look really cute. So, and this one will go together with my ATC, and I was thinking to add this flower, and then I really wanted to add, maybe should I add a Go Girl, and I think I will, because I really like, it's nice and short and sweet as well, so it will look really nice on this card, and I hope she will like it. And this is another quick project with day 2 Advent Calendar, and I think I will add those drops as well. Why not? Because, but I know I will add it on that green again, on the green. So I'm going to put 3 of them just here, and I really love that color. This color goes with anything. So, and if you're not sure about your Nuvo drops, just tap it a little bit and they will even out a little bit. So this is day 2 of Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. I hope you like those ephemera pieces, and you can see that you can create so many beautiful projects. There are plenty of them, so I'm sure it will be enough for another few projects, and I love them. They are really nice and quite thick. So yes, I hope you like this little tutorial and the project I did. Remember to follow the hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. Go over to Katarina and Mel to check out what they've created with day number 2. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye for now.